if you cannot even trust you, how can other people trust you? Ladies and gentlemen, confidence is about trust. It's never about the way you speak. It's never about your posture. It's always about trust. Everyone say the word trust. How can other people give you their trust? Now, if I may ask you, business is founded on what? Trust. Tama? Without trust, you cannot have a successful business. Tama, mali? In fact, kapag integrity ang issue ng negosyo mo, nahihirapan na yung tao maniwala sa'yo ulit. Yes or no? Kaya nagkakaroon ng rebranding, whatever. Ask me why. Kasi kailangan ma-establish ulit yung trust. Are you with me? How can other people trust you if you cannot trust you? Paano pagkakatiwalaan ng tao yung negosyo mo kung yung sinabi mong ingredients doon sa produkto mo, hindi yun yung ingredients ng produkto mo? Paano magtitiwala yung tao sa'yo kung kapag sinabi mong magmi-meeting kayo ng alas 10 ng umaga at 10:05 ka dumating? Business owners, can I be honest with you? Yes or yes? Gusto nyo ng hard but powerful tip or advice from me? Yes or no? Tigil nyo yung grace period. Tigil nyo yung grace period. Tanong nyo sa akin, bakit? Can you imagine, nagpag-grace period ka sa late? Tama, mali. Bakit ako yung mag-a-adjust, ako on time? Sino dapat mag-adjust? Yung late. Bakit? Late siya. Am I just talking about time? Yes or no? No! Bit-bit yan sa performance. Bakit ka nag-adjust ng KPI sa non-performer? Kaya hindi lumalaki yung negosyo. Nag-adjust yung performer sa non-performer. Para saan? Tanong mo para saan? Para lang hindi siya makapagsalita ng masakit at hindi ka maichismis. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a reflection of your confidence. I'd rather have my confidence based on my level, not just of integrity. Are you with me? But on the basis of my standards. Sino dito gusto mo magtayo ng negosyo? Taas ang kamay. Start it by being precise on everything you said you will do. Naalala mo pa ba yung mga pinangako mo? Naalala mo pa ba yung sinabi mo noong January 5, day 5 of 365? Naalala mo ba yung mga subscription at membership na kinuha mo? Kumita na naman sila sa'yo? Tama, mali. You gotta be successful in business. Keep whatever you said you will do. Make sure you do it 100%. First level of confidence is what we call integrity. Everyone say the word integrity. But you cannot stop there. You gotta pursue excellence. Are we clear? Bakit mo kailangan i-pursue yung excellence? Because many times, when you're not pursuing excellence, sino dito, meron kang mga kakilala kapag plano ang gagaling. Yung mga kilala kang ganyan, ang gagaling magplano kapag singilan na nawawala. Ano yung mga laging sinasabi ng mga, ano yung laging symptom ng mga taong kapag singilan na nawawala? Gusto nyo malaman kung ano? They play confused all the time. Ano sasabihin ng mga taong playing confused? Sasabihin niya, di ko alam. Uy, tayo negosyo, sige. Asikasuhin mo yung marketing. Naku, hindi ko alam yan eh. Yung mga kilala kang ganyan? Marami? O kaya ang sabi ng iba, di kasi ako tulad nila. Yan, sina Sir Josh, sina Sir Mix, ang gagaling na kasi niyan eh. Can you relate? Meron kasi silang dating. Ako, wala naman akong dating, hindi naman ako tulad nila. Sabi mo, sabi nung iba, ito lang yung pinag-aralan ko eh. Can you relate? Bagsakin pa ako. Ako nga lang yung kumakain lagi eh. Can you relate? Can I just go real talk with you? Yes or no? Sino dito ginamit mo na tong tatlong to? Taas ang kamay. Di mo ginamit? Lesson number 1, integrity. Oh, thank you. Ginamit natin to lahat. Ako rin po, ginamit ko na yan, no? Ako rin po, guilty ako dyan. So I'm not just speaking to you, I'm speaking to me too. Kasi guilty rin ako dyan. Kapag hindi ko masyadong trip, kapag ayoko na ng singilan, ang sasagutin ko, it's either hindi ko alam, hindi ako tulad nila, o kaya hindi ako magaling eh. Tama? I want you to understand this. Ask me what? Di alamin mo. Tama? Dami mo arte. Alamin mo na lang. As early as now, solve it. Figure it out. Strategize about it. Are we clear? Ulitin ko, solve it, figure it out, strategize it. Are you with me? Bakit? Kasi wala namang mapupuntahan, wala namang magagawa if you're just gonna be full of all this justification and excuses. As early as now, tigil mo na yan. Are you with me? Kung hindi mo alam, edi alamin mo. Kung hindi ka tulad nila, edi simulan mo para in the future maging tulad ka nila. Are we clear? Kung hindi ka magaling, edi simulan mo na ngayon para maybe 1 year from now, December 8, 2025, magaling ka na. Pwede? Pwede. Huwag ka na mag-inarte. Alam niyo yung pinakamalaking sakit ng maraming Pilipino? Ask me what? Excusitis. Alam niyo yun? Napakahilig. Nangangati na, kaka-excuse. Yes or no? Alamin mo. Are we clear? Lesson number 2 for you is what we call mastery. And last but not the least, I'd like to share this with you is contribution. What's the word? Ang problema paminsan kaya hindi gumagana yung negosyo kasi ang damot mo. Simpleng pagre-recite lang, hindi mo magawa, tapos gusto mo pang gumanda negosyo mo. Many of the top businesses that I know, that the reason they're successful, ask me why. Kasi mapagbigay. Now, this is biblical. Okay lang ba if I quote the Bible on this? It's not about religion. I'm not trying to be religious here kahit Sunday. Pero allow me to quote it. Okay lang? Sabi nga, Matthew 6:33, no? Seek ye first the kingdom of God and His righteousness. Anong ibig sabihin? Magbigay ka sa Panginoon through your talents, magbigay ka sa sarili mo at sa mga environment mo. Am I clear? At magbigay ka sa ibang tao. That's His righteousness and His kingdom. Are we clear? Anong sabi? And all these things shall be added unto you. And yet here you are, you'd rather take these things at magtataka ka, how come it's not happening for you? Inuna mo kasing mag-take rather than magbigay. And so in a moment, we're gonna go through a very powerful process before I end. And maybe I want you to be reminded once again with your dreams, with your aspirations to the very reason bakit ka nandito sa Grand Negosyo Fair. Pero, can I be honest? I want you to remember integrity, mastery, and last but not the least, legacy. You gotta start it with your integrity, keeping your word, your mastery, being good at what you do, and last but not the least, your legacy, being able to contribute. Ladies and gentlemen, ang legacy po hindi na-establish on the basis of branding alone. Na-establish po ito sa amount ng taong tinulungan at binigyan mo, and that's how you develop your legacy. Are you guys with me?